On a Mac, the simplest and fastest way to find your IP address is to look up at the menu bar and find the Wi-Fi icon. Just press and hold the Option key and then click on the Wi-Fi icon. This will immediately show the internal IP address of your current Wi-Fi network, along with a bunch of other details right here. Make sure you actually hold down the Option key, because if you just do a regular click, you will only see the basic network info. Now, if you need an easy way to copy this, or if that first method did not work for you, you can select Wi-Fi settings to open System Settings, or just click the Apple icon in the top left and choose System Settings. Next, go to the Wi-Fi section or select Network if you are using a wired connection. If you are on wireless, just stick to Wi-Fi. You will see the name of the network you are connected to. Go ahead and click on Details. Right here, under the TCP/IP tab, you will see your internal IP address. You can simply right-click it and choose Copy to grab it, along with any other info you might need from here. Also, if you ever need to find your MAC address, just head over to the Hardware tab. The MAC address line will show your computer's physical address. Usually, company IT departments or tech support will ask for this, so you can just come here, copy it, and send it over to them. Alright, thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.